This topic is the the unemployment rate due to COVID-19. So I think in India, due to this unemployment, the due to COVID-19, the unemployment rate has been increased dramatically, and this is because I think see we have faced demonetization in 2016 and uh, GST recently, but it did not impact on more on the jobs. Why? Because it just make the system more hollow. So we did not get the actual case at that time. But right now, when when in March 22nd, when the lockdown decision was being taken by the government itself, and it was a complete lockdown for 40 days. Then after then, uh, we have seen a big dramatically change, dramatically decrease in the employment. So right now we have seen that unemployment rate is 24%, and this is really very low if we talk about. And we are even percentage wise, if we see that we are even lacking from our neighborhood countries, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, Bhutan also. So this is why this is, I think, the major impact was that 40 days complete lockdown. People are still not come out, overcome from it, and it is also a big fact that right now school, colleges, and institutions are not opened. So due to this also, there are a lot of teachers who are jobless. So and this is also a big factor if I talk particular in India. And see, if I talk the things that people just voted to this government for on the name of Ram Mandir, but I want to ask that if there are so many kind of bugs, so where are they? If I like to ask to the all many of the persons who supported that, okay, Ram Mandir, but if I ask them that, did you ever read the Ramayana itself in your life, or did you ever read Bhagavad Gita in your life? So the answer is no from them. So what is the sense of this kind of bhakti? And the government is just reading the mind of the youth, and that's why they are just yeah, erupting the youth and other people in the name of Ram Mandir, and that's why we youth are jobless, but still we are not in raising up our voice. Why? Because we are thinking we have not any kind of proper knowledge what's going on, what government is doing, and what is the unemployment rate in actually we have any person who is unemployed has very less chances that he feel the unemployment. The only persons who are really affected, who are the only the source of income in their home, they are not feeling that, yeah, they are unemployed. And it is due to this kind of very uh, uh, very unimposed impacts, just like imposition of this lockdown of government. So I think unemployment is more due to this COVID situation, and it was already the system was hollowed uh, due to demonetization and GST, and right now we are seeing this impact due to the unemployment.
Okay, so Devi Bhai, today topic is who is responsible for unemployment rate. So what is your view?
Yes, I all. Definitely, the I just look into the numbers. What are the percentages of unemployment rate in India currently? It is around 3.5%. One more thing. The COVID is affected not only by India; it is affected worldwide. And India is dependent mainly on the foreign countries in terms of export, because many of the revenues are coming from software companies, because they pay 30% of their revenues. You think about the TCS, they earn around 6,000 crores of profit in a quarterly basis. I mean 3 months. In that 30% they pay as a tax for the state government or central government. These conditions and the external factor also. Trump came into as a president, he stopped all the jobs to India, and he restricted all the job and employment, and so that is also one of the reason. And due to COVID, all the air transport or automotive sector, that is around 40% will dominate the employment, air and transport domain. But that is altered for complete around 3 to 6 months. There is no air travel, there is no automotive sales, so that only created many employment, like in one, for example, in Chennai there is one Ford, there it had around 3000 4000 employment. In Pune there is Volkswagen, or there are also around 3000 employees over there, but due to not selling of any automotive, that also one of the reason for unemployment. And my Shailesh brother already told that Ram Mandir is, so how it is affected for employment for Ram Mandir. Ram Mandir is there, they're created with the help of trust based on the government is not putting any fund on that. And it is long pending dispute from last 60 to 70 years that is resolved during this time. That is just a consequences. You cannot blame the government that you should not stop Ram Mandir, because many people like me support for that. We fought for that Ram Mandir. It is our soul. So that's why the many people, maybe Shailesh will not agree. I also respect your thought. It is correct only. I'm not disagree with your thought, but the Ram Mandir, if the temple will create, there also the tourism will improve and the small city will improve. And one more reason. See, in India, only few states are developed. For example, in Bangalore, Karnataka, or Delhi, Gurgaon, in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Due to this lockdown, all the migrated people from those who are in rural villages, they were in cities like tier 1 tier 2 cities where the most of the employment generated. But once all the lockdown is announced, where they will go? Definitely they will go to their hometown. What they will do in hometown? Because they sold all their properties, agricultural land, to migrate into the cities. So now once they go back, where they will find the job? Maybe the government will created some Narega scheme and all, but that doesn't work out, because who will dig the land with the gray ad for just a small pennies. So that also one of the reason why the unemployment rate is increased now. Even not only in India, even USA also. See, now presidential election is going with the main topic is unemployment rate. Not even in India, the in United States of America, there also the unemployment is more compared to here. And one more thing, everyone wants the automation. Before I used to go any website, if I chat anyone, the opposite side, the person will chat with us. Now see, everyone is replied by chatbot. So if you automatic reply will come even wherever you go. If you if you call to customer care, also automatic number, press 1 for that, press 2 for, or self recipe you will get. So before there are many jobs in that sector also, that also reduced completely because of the automation. That's it, Pradeep bhai.
Okay,
Hey
okay,
Devi, no,
okay.
no, I am not in the opposition of Ram Mandir. I'm saying I'm in the opposition on the with respect to the job. The uh, youth is just out of the track due to this Ram Mandir. Just see, because um, um, the government is making issue of Ram Mandir from many times. But yeah, it is okay that Mandir is making. But see, at every time, whenever they call a Hindu on the name of Hindu Yatra, there are a lot of people of any age just join it and says yes, mandir wahi banayenge. But I'm saying that if you are unemployed, what is the sense of this? Mandir, Mandir will become. Yeah, it is very, very good that Mandir is becoming. But I am just saying that we have to see the concern of the government. Why? What is it doing on the name of the Ram Mandir? It is just distracting the youth and other people from the real issues, because uh, people are unemployed, they are not feeling that they are unemployed, and they are not even trying to get employed. And as I mentioned earlier, if people are so many Bhakt, then why are they not reading Rama and Mahabharata? Why are they just making attending dharma yatras? What will we
No,
get from
see,
this?
I don't want to be an aerospace engineer to travel in air. That's it. It is simple reason. I don't want to be
Means
aerospace engineer. I don't want to be pilot. I can talk about the flight operations and all by knowing small things. That's it.
Yeah,
Even
I
I
think
also don't.
that's the personal issue of the people. Like if they want to travel, if they want to be pilgrimage, so it's their personal opinion.
That's what.
Like
Yeah.
yeah, so we cannot go into the personal things of people. Like you can't do this, you can't do every each and every person has a fundamental right, and if they want to read the books or they can do so, like each and every person has a different scenario to represent. Like if he's a devotee, right, if a person like he will be doing some hymns, he should follow, he go to temple every day. So some people want to remain at home and they like chanting. So this is their issue, and each and every person has just customized this all these things according to them.
Okay, okay. I think Salesh Bhai and Devish Bhai spoke very well on this topic. And actually, I do not want to blame Corona only for unemployment rate. It's all also responsibility, as Salesh Bhai asking about Ram Mandir. I think somehow this topic, just beyond the today's topic, but I think government is also responsible for creating unemployment, because you can take example, if government is start selling all the government organization, then how they are going to create job for youth? You can take example of railway. Government already sold 3 to 4 railway station, means they are just losing job. Also you can take example of Jainpur airport. Government is already sold, means it is also duty of government to create job. What happens sometimes, we always blame on the youth, they are not taking good education. This is not a good idea to blame on the education system, because there are many educated people and they have already cleared many examinations, but still they are not getting job. Why? Because we have lack of job. And now this is very easy to point out corona. Due to corona, government is not producing job. Before corona also you can see we are not getting so much job. If there is one vacancy and applicant are near about 1,000, then how you can say okay, so anyone can continue, please.
Yeah, I think Corona is just an option, or we are just deviating from the real scenario. Yeah, it is true that just before Corona, the unemployment was there, right? Like as Mr. Pradeep was mentioning a particular concept, like for a single post, there are lakhs of candidates. So I don't say that each and every person want government job, but the lakhs of people who has applied for that post, they have already employed. So we cannot say, we cannot pick that point, that each and every, if a person has applied for a single post, there are 10 posts and lakhs of person has applied, doesn't mean that lakhs of persons are unemployed. They are just not happy with their present uh, job, and they want to convert into government job. That's correct. But the unemployment, like a person who is graduate, or who is pursuing postgraduate, he is ready to work as a sweeper. That is the unemployment. So
Neha, just
they,
I want to mention one point here also, because
yeah.
what happened. Sometime I have listened many experts. They always used to say, "Ki our youth is not so mature, so much mature or educated, so they can get job." But just I'm taking example. Suppose in UPSC examination, 100,000 of candidates are appearing, and only one candidate clear. It doesn't mean that 99 candidates are not eligible. They are also eligible, but maybe that they cannot be IAS, but they can get some lower job also. But what if we have
Yeah,
vacancy?
exactly,
We have
exactly.
no vacancy. Only you are just no, in any government school or college you can see only one vacancy. Then how you are thinking you are going to provide 2 crore job per year? This is only you can say. Um, Means actually I'm not getting word, because when you see the promise by our prime minister just made in 2014 ki every year we are going to provide 2 crore job, because that time they had a plan ki they can create the job, but now they are selling everything. Means that plan is just demolished. They have no option ki how can create job. And now there are many people who are just supporting, yes, privatization is a very good thing, but anyhow this is going to burden on some common people, because we are taxpayer and we are going to pay more and more tax. Because some day ago I have read about the Jaipur airport, because due to privatization they are going to increase the cost of everything. If you are going to take a coffee, now coffee is 4 times costlier than previous. So this is not benefit for a common people. So this is my point. It's also responsibility of government. Government should produce more job. Okay.
Yeah, the actual problem is the ratio, like the number of person who has completed their education and the number of opportunities they got. The actual problem is in the ratio. And moreover, if we talk about the scenario of the persons, like they are getting government job or the criteria they are following, we are very much aware with that, and most of us are not so happy with that, like the reservation and all. So a lot of things are there which are creating a lot of unemployment, and most of the people who are much more have ability as compared to the one who got at the very good post. So at these are some parameters on which we are just lacking. We are just a number of years back in this criteria. I think we should change, but every time if any person will take initiative regarding this, a lot of rallies and all the strikes will be there. So each and everyone, just moreover, they will their votes will be mitigated from a particular community. So each and everyone, yeah, is scared, like if he or she will each and everyone know that it should be stopped, but they are just scared, like if they initiate this, so their wars and all will be mitigated.
Okay. So Amit,
I want to tell one thing,
yes.
sir. Everyone want to get job from government side, but government says only everyone become a entrepreneurship. That only main problem created job vacancies. Because if I get some degree, I want to join in government job only. But nobody want to become a entrepreneurship. Then how they decrease unemployment crisis? So if I am a photographer, I want to job in PRO, public relation officers from government side. But I don't want create um, an entrepreneurship. If I make a studio, I can give 2 or 3 more jobs to others. Give that will be somebody will help them to employment. But I want to work in government side, so I want to join in central government or state government. So people, so central government also incite everybody want to become a entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is very important these days. It will reduce unemployment crisis. That's all, sir.
Okay.
I want to
Yes,
expose
that,
But
some points
yeah.
of government
okay, okay.
itself.
Startup
And
should be there. Startup should be there, but
Yes.
our education is just not making us aware. Yeah, you have this opportunity. You have this option too. Yeah,
But
we all know that there is some in our education.
success rate
Yeah,
of startup is not so much high. That's why people are get
yeah,
displaced and
exactly.
frustrated, because many people have just started their startup, but after some days just they close it because they are not getting so much success as they wanted. And also government is not fully supported them. You can take loan, but not government is not going to give you something like that you can start. During the lockdown, I think when the prime minister announced 20 lakh package, there was a option also you can take loan and you can start up your business. Many people just applied, but later on what they are find, this is just type of loan and you have to repay it. So then people just pull out their hand. We are not going to, because during lockdown, how you are going to pay this? Suppose my business is not successful, because when you are going to see in case of startup, only 10 to 20% of startup are successful. Otherwise, 90% startup we have no idea. And also you can take between 3 to 4 years, only 1 year, two company you are going to find. Yes, they have started their business, now they are successful. So it's also depend, and government should come forward and try to help. And then we can think, yes, one startup can give at least 5 to 6 people job, so we can reduce the unemployment. But government should think in a different direction, and maybe and also try to create, if you're going to stabilize any plant, at least you can generate some job. But by selling the organization, I don't think you are going to produce job. You can try to uh, stabilize some company, as like in UP, someone is going to install their plant. Also Telsa is going to visit within 1 year, 2 years, and Apple is also going to plant their organization. So this type of activity can produce the job, and that can reduce the unemployment also. But government should, I think there is also responsibility of government as well as youth and education system also. But every time blaming on the education system, I am not agree, because we are producing many engineers, many scientists, many IS officers due to this education system. Then how we can blame it? So, okay, so we have.
Exactly. And see, yeah, and see, government is just making benefit of some groups like Ambani Adani's. See, in this lockdown period, recently, 2 to 3 days ago, a news came that um, now Mr. Mukesh Ambani has become worldwide number 4 richest person. So how is it possible that from the number 8th to 9th, he has just jumped up to number 4th in this lockdown pandemic period? This is a clear example that the government is also just trying to help, trying to give benefit to this kind of people only. And as Pradeep told, I am agree. On the name of Rahat package, it just provided 20 lakh crore on the in the form of loans only. And see the tricks of the government. In April, May 2019, there was the election. And in February, why in February itself, it announced that there will be 2 lakh crores jobs, 2 lakhs jobs in Group D and 36,000 in NTPC. Just on the same time, say it issued the notification. And but till now, there is no any kind of hatapata of the examination. And recently, 15 days ago, there was a campaign on the Twitter. It was just trended worldwide against the government that NTPC exams should be held, Group D exams should be held. Then, then itself on the same day, the government, the Piyush Goyal uh, was just forced. He was just you can say that on the same day he announced that the papers will be starting from 26 December. Why after this kind of opposition? Because see, now the youth is now able to see that yes, um, as I told earlier, you cannot shut my mouth off by saying that spiritual issue is a personal. I was saying because he was youth was just uh, attending many more rallies and मंदिर वही बनाएंगे, yes, yes, like this. But he was not spiritual by heart. So where I am wrong, if I am raising this voice, you cannot set my mouth by saying that it's their personal issues. So I'm linking this with awareness of the youth. Right now youth is aware somehow that and that's why the government was just forcefully announced the date of NTPC exams, Group D examinations, and this is the only way that we can do by just oppose the government.
I think Salesh bhai, somehow media is also responsible for that. You know why? Because when Narendra Modi is celebrating his birthday, also there was a campaign on Twitter, and I think that is unemployment. There's something like that. But no, media is going to focus on that particular issue because that is also top 10 on that day. So it is also a responsibility of youth. Youth is aware, but they are not doing anything for getting job. Because nowadays we can see, yes, now youth are just standing for the conduct NEET examination, something like that, but only for a few days. Now everything is just in a quiet mode. No one going to say something like that. And just wait for December. Let's see government is going to conduct examination or not. Government is nowadays only announcing due to seeing some election, due to some other issues, but I don't think this is also responsibility of youth. Okay, so Ganesh or Amit and Om, if you want to say something, then you can speak. Otherwise, you have very great speakers, Salesh Bhai, Neha, Devi Bhai. Okay,
Yes, yes. Uh,
yes.
Yes.
yes, yes, yes. Actually, see, as far as the unemployment is concerned, see, the base is education. If your education system doesn't have the capability to produce a job, then it will be useless. Whatever the education we are going, as you already told that we are creating an engineer, but what is the use of that? The becoming an engineer who doesn't have the proper job in hand. Okay,
So Amit
now
Bhai,
let me point out.
Amit Bhai, just I want
Uh,
to stop here. This is also responsibility of
huh.
government. Just try to make some
No, no.
rules and regulations so every
See.
university and college should follow that strict.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then you
I
can,
haven't finished. I haven't finished it.
okay.
Let me complete it. And then okay, and we can even, if possible, we can rejoin it. Okay, but let me give an example of our family. Okay, in my family there are the six members. Okay, my father tried to give the best thing. Okay, suppose for example, in the form of the education or in the form of the business. Okay, so it was the dedication of my father. Okay, we could the learn and we could get the job. But if job is concerned, what I feel that suppose now I become an engineer. Okay, so based on my ability the company will choose either it's a government job or a private job. Okay, so based on that I have been means selected. But what I feel that government doesn't have that capability. Okay, why we do select government means every the 50 years there will be an election, and then we vote it. And why we vote it based on, we are not vote to create what Shailesh said, that we are not going to vote for to create the Ram Mandir. We are going to vote to the government to create such a jobs, unemployment, then there are the other stuff. Okay, which government should concentrate. Okay, who are the party? I doesn't mean that whether it's the Congress or whether it's the BJP. I do not want to blame it. Whoever, even I already given an example of our father, right? See, that is, we have to compare with these things. Okay, but even there are the other stuffs. Okay, suppose if there is not means the employment, but in the form of a business we can produce. So government has to create such an infrastructure so that the business will be developed. And then obviously if there is such an infrastructure, so obviously there would be a jobs, multiple jobs. But they are not creating such an infrastructure. And that's why the unemployment rate going day by day. It is not now every day everyone will blame on the corona. Because of the corona, the corona employment rate has been a decrease or something. But I what I feel that personally, it may be a 20 or 25%. But if already the Pradeep Bro said that the prior to corona there was the same thing. Nothing has been changed. Only you cannot take the name of the corona, or because of corona now the unemployment rate has been increased. This is okay. And the second thing is that now if you talk about that the government working now, what they are doing, they are doing a privatization, railway privatization, now SCL and other, what are the government sector, which they can do a lot of things. Okay, take an example of BSNL. Okay, what they are going to do now, the railways, right? Suppose if you give me a one, suppose if I have enough money and if I hire the one railway, so whom to whom I will select. Okay, though those who are near to me, I will select. Why should I select to anyone also? So why I select to that the Shailesh bro? Why I select to Devi bro? Okay, so so it's going to hamper on the youth also. Obviously, means whoever the owner of, obviously they will take to that particular person. So there will be a bias, there will be a something, right? And this can be the also one type of reason. So ultimately, what I feel that the government is equally responsible. Why you are sitting there just shouting and lola this? Okay, anyone can do it. Now, what you are going to do apart from other things? Okay, if I become the finance minister, I will have PA. I will do all the things. If I become the PM, what I will do? What I will have to do? What the responsibilities? What I can do? What the PM is doing? I can do what CM is doing also. Nothing. You can also, all the members can do the same thing. But you will have to think. There is we have that the movies also, that Anil Kapoor movies, that you become one day PM or something. So you'll have to do such a thing. You'll have to think out of a box. Then only everyone will be in a single flow. Every will be in a flow. But they are not thinking. There will be a corruption, lot of things. It's not. You see, if it is a corruption, everyone moving that Modi and then other who went to the other country. What they looted that money of India, but they are not doing. They are not even aware what is going on, right? They don't know what is the current situation, what employment, what the current youth is doing. Ultimately, they will go in frustration, and then they can do anything. So same is happening in the means, suppose if we are saying the terrorist, okay, so why they will become a terrorist? Reason is okay. Reason, some, you see, I cannot say that because of unemployment. Okay, there will be attachment of 10 to 15%. But what about the other 70% or 80%? Okay, no one will be adaptive such a thing. Okay, but this is the responsibility. So we should think about that, and they should come with a plan of action. There should be a plan of action. Suppose if I want to build one particular city. Take an example of a Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Where what was that? Because it was in today's also, we cannot compete with that Mohenjo and Harappa culture. So same thing we can, based on your ability, based upon your education, it should be okay. Otherwise, what happens? The morality of youth will going to decrease, and then ultimately you will be land up somewhere. So it's the responsibility of, because they are going to handle, we are not going to. And then again there will be conflict. Suppose if now the BJP is ruling the India, but if it is a statewide, if there is the PM of Congress, then again they will say, okay, BJP is saying that they are not giving the money, and same thing they will do, nothing else. Okay, they will just create a joke on this one. But ultimately, it's our future, and we have to accept it. They are not going to do anything. No one is going to do, or no one is going to help you. You will have to do yourself only. Nothing is going to happen in this country. That I feel now. That's it.
It was really furious speech given by Amit Bhai.
Now what I felt that I now I said, okay.
Okay, so anybody want to say something, sir? Then you can say, because we have
Amit
4
Bhai,
minutes.
Yes,
Amit Bhai should be in opposition.
Yes,
No,
yes,
no,
but-
yes, opposition. You see,
Yes,
see, we have the
definitely,
three
yeah.
pillar already. We have the Supreme Court. We have the who are running the government, and opposition. There should be someone in opposition. They should handle this matter, because see, suppose if you say Pappu, then people will laugh. Okay, there is not. He doesn't have that capability to handle. Means to show. You'll have to showcase that where they are going to lag it. That's why there is the opposition. Why role of the
yes, that's
opposition
why
is that if
Raghuram Rajan itself says that there should be a very good opposition for development of any
Yes.
country.
yes, until unless there should not be any opposition, then how we will develop our nation. And I already told you that you make Devi Bhai as a PM, okay, but he should have that capability. He should have that all the guts. Okay, nothing. PM can do it. We have a lot of that advisor also. What is? but we have to utilize those things now. So for example, we had that Abdul Kalam, right? Abdul Kalam, he was a great scientist, and the India has utilized him very well, and he dedicated his whole life. So likewise, create such a finance minister, create such a thing, okay, and they will think out of the box. They will analyze all the world and how India we can make the developed country, and we will become a superpower one day. But they are not thinking like that. They are only the fighting each other, and then you are Congress party, I am a BJP party, blah blah, and then end up with something mess.
Okay, so Amit bhai, let Silas conclude this point. I think we have only 2 minutes. So Mr. Silas, please conclude. And Sekhar bhai joined very late, so that's why we have no time. Okay.
Okay, no sir, no
Yes,
issue, no issue.
yes, Amit Bro is right, and I totally agree with the words of Pradeep you also, that the role of media in our country is now role is important, but the media what is doing is really very serious issue. And see, uh, some readers just like Sudhir Chaudhary, they are also caught red-handed. Uh, uh, of doing corruption of 100 crore. You can see the link in the YouTube. I can send you. And that kind of people are saying that if in the election of Delhi, the government, the Janata choose Kejriwal once again, then that kind of people are saying that people does not know anything, and they are just he told that Delhi people are mook, like this way. So who the hell is he? I want to say that who the hell is he to just don't accept the Loktantra. People elected Kejriwal again, so we should welcome because he did really great work. So the role of media should be positive way in like this, not to become a bootlicker of the present government. So I think this is also a very great issue of unemployment. That's why people are not aware uh, to see that whether they feel unemployment world or not, and that's why people are just uh, now telling that it is lockdown, so we are unemployed due to lockdown effect only or due to corona only, and they don't know the exact figures. Because if I tell you an example, PSU, IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation, is the one of the finest, one of the largest PSU of India. And if you want to become execute money in this, then there is an entrance exam like a gate exam. And see, in 2013, up to 2013, if any person gets the rank up to 600, 700, that also gets selected in IOCL like companies. And right now the situation is like that. If you are getting a rank 100, 150, then also it is